All right, a quick look at Litecoin here. So we're just going to focus our attention on the macro monthly chart here just to get an overall view of what is going on with Litecoin and what potentially could happen here. So going from the low here to this high, you can see we hit the 618 here at 60, and then we had a nice bounce. We're back over the 0.5, and now we are sitting over the 382 at 77. So I would say as long as you're over 77, the next price to beat is going to be 90 here at this 236 and the 0.5. And then, of course, the top here at about 115 up to 126. So one thing to notice on the chart, you can see the yellow lines that I have on the chart. And don't forget, these are the monthly candles here. So we have the higher lows in play, and we have this level up here to where we're getting stuck at perfectly. So this is what is considered a very large ascending triangle pattern here, and I've seen this multiple times to where when the price finally makes it to, it doesn't have to come all the way to the end, but when it makes it to the end to where the price is getting squeezed here and the candles start getting smaller, this is the point to where this thing gets squeezed to the upside and this thing just takes off to the moon. So maybe that's the point to where this thing comes up and breaks the previous 2021 high to make a new high, and then we come straight back down for the next cycle, or we come all the way up to the 1272 at 789 here. So let's just go ahead and measure that since we're mentioning it here. So going from today off of that 382, if we just continue to grind our way up over the next until next summer, then the potential 1272 could get hit here. You can see that as about an 8x on Litecoin. And if it's going to hit that, now if it's going to come up here and just break the previous high by just a little bit like it did last time, maybe we get a 4 to 5x out of this thing and we hit about $450 to $500 here. That could be the case because from 2017 we came down, and then 2021 you can see we just barely broke that previous high here. So if it repeats history, that could be the case, and you can see it would still be in line with the higher highs and the higher lows here on the macro scale of things. So we're still holding this blue one here. This is the uptrend, and I just wanted you to see the one that I see on the chart here in between these yellow ones here, even the blue one here. But ultimately, we can kind of speculate and see that maybe we do something like this on Litecoin, and that could kind of tell us when the market's going to go up, which you can see is May to June, potentially, if it makes it to the apex of this triangle pattern here. Maybe next summer, that's when we finally start going up here. So just something for thought there. Now, as I said before, just kind of keep it simple on the macro scale. As long as you're above this 382 at 77 and you're going to hold these uptrends here, the next stop is 90, 115, and then 126. And then to the moon we go once we break. So what are your thoughts on Litecoin? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.